All right, so we're at Blade Show, and this is the first booth I'm at, and we're at Burls and Steel. I'm super excited to be talking to Ben, and Ben is going to give me a rundown on what we're seeing. So go ahead and tell me, brother.
Yeah, so we do mainly chef's knives. We do some of the outdoors knives as well, but I like to specialize in Damascus chef's knives.
Okay, so what are all the different types of steel that we're using?
So I mainly use 1095, and so for the Damascus we do the 1095 and 15N20. We've got a couple stainless that are in Nitro V. That's about it.
All right, and so we're making everything from the handles as well.
Mm-hmm. Yep, everything from start to finish.
I just love all these choices. Are these always coming in standard sizes? I mean, and I know, are we using millimeters or inches, or how are we doing this?
We go inches. Everything's a unique piece. You know, they're all handmade, so they're all unique, and that goes for size and handle material. And
wow. So is there a website that some of my viewers are going to be able to find all this content?
Yeah, burlesandsteel.com. You can find what we have available on there.
How long do you think it takes you to make one of these things?
Each one's different. It's kind of hard to say.
Well, they're just absolutely gorgeous. Sorry, I'm getting some shadows on myself. So you and I were just saying before we started recording that we're kind of the odd people out because we're like the only kitchen knife people here. I have some everyday carry knives, but I'm not like normally the everyday carry like groupie that I see here today.
Right.
These are awesome.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, so this is the first post coming on YouTube today. I'm going to put this out in just a minute. There's like 20-something knife forums that follow the channel.
Nice.
I'm super excited to let people know that you're here. Hey, man, I'm going to do a quick flyby.
Yeah, it works.
All right, so you guys want to check this out? This is an American-made product. All right, so go America. Absolutely. We appreciate you guys, and you guys have a good Blade Show.